like the way that was cutting. And one cool thing with the Tormach is that you can do a feed hold and then turn the RPM all the way down to 0. So I'm going to get in and take a close look at that insert and see if maybe the interrupted cut killed it. Yeah, it killed the tip. I'm thinking I go ahead and let it run down until it's got 2 or 3 left, and then change the insert, rotate it, and then maybe it'll make it through the last few without any damage. But I'll have to measure it because the insert, once I flip it around, the insert's not going to cut at the exact same dimension. I let it pull back. I think I'm going to, and then I'll just cut air for the rest of it. I've got, looks like 3 more. 2 more roughing passes and a finishing pass. I think I'm going to go in and change that in conversational. Yeah, okay, so let's just stop this. We'll hit reset. We'll put RPM back to 100. So my concern isn't so much the surface finish as the final dimension. Let's take that tool clearance out to 0.5. Buy myself a little bit more room. Finishing depth of cut 6 thou. Roughing depth of cut 20. Let's turn that down to 10. Because, I don't know, maybe that's what killed the tip so quick. It'll make it to where there's more passes and it'll take me forever to cut air. Oh, actually, I can tell it to start at 1.5 because I'm halfway through the cut. So let's do the initial at minus 1.5, and that way I don't have to spend all that time cutting air on that 1/2 inch. And I have the final 10 thou off, so that way I can, when it gets down to that, then I can measure it, and if I have to, I'll change the tip again. Click on finish, click on save, then you close and it comes up, tell you it's changed. Now you can see we got a ton more cuts there, so okay, yeah, that one looks good. I could actually go in and take a skim cut and measure it and get a better idea where this is at. The screen's showing 1.35. I'm getting 4.9, 4.8. Now the question is, what's that measure? So it's still a hair on the big side. I can take it down another. I think I'm gonna walk it in manually jogging. Well, there was more rubbing than cutting there. And I don't want that to go over yet. Well, that looks pretty much like it's on target. Yeah, that's pretty nice.